You're gonna believe this. The Better Lice Key Comb Resetter for Kwikset Smart Keys. This will blow your mind. Watch this. Start with a key that doesn't work. Break 2 teeth off your comb, your lice comb. All right, now stick in your brand new Lice Smart Key Resetter and turn that cylinder just slightly. Now see that little bearing? Turn it until you feel it stop. I've already marked that. Now push your little reset pin driver thing right like that. Stick in the key that didn't work. Turn it and you are all set. It's that easy. I'm telling you, it's that easy. Look at that. Rush down to your local drugstore and get your brand new Nick Better Lice Comb Resetter